our first meal at the apartment. We have all the stuff loaded in that we're gonna have to eventually unpack. I'm gonna unpack her bedroom first. That way she has some toys and stuff to play with and keep her occupied while I finish everything else. So I'm gonna pack up her room first. Are you showing them the baby? Good job. Candle.
Do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing.
So I'm trying to find her fluffy blanket so I could set up her tent. Because I have her tent right here and I want to have her tent right here and I want to set it up here in this corner. That way I could put some of her toys in the tent. That way some of these toys are at least somewhat in a place before I do anything else. Okay, so first problem already. My daughter's bedroom, the second bathroom, and the hallway electricity is not working, but everything else seems to be working.
These don't.
Okay, that one doesn't work either. Okay, update. Babe got the light working again. You wanna see? So now we're gonna finish doing what we were doing. We got the couch done. Nice. Now I'm gonna throw some pillows on it. I got this one from Target. I like this one.
I like this video.
Huh? Next project.
Yeah. Chop one. There's a piece to it that's missing. It's a little flat disc. Here. Are these to keep or? No, you just like throw them in that box.
No matter what I do, I don't know how I do it for love. I do it for love. Yeah.
Good job.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Love, love, love.
I do it for love.
Love, love, love.
What you do it for? Yeah, do it for. What you do it for? I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And
so I've made a hole. But luckily, I have table runners that I'm gonna put across anyways.
Yeah.
Day 2, and we got our fridge. We got somewhat done. We got our chairs. We still have to build that dining table. I made a hole in that, but I'm gonna cover it with a table runner. We have our couch. We have the TV stand that we're gonna build next. We got our TV, other TV. We have the bedroom that still needs a lot of work. And this bedroom needs a lot of work. But we have this bathroom so far that it's somewhat done. We're about to head to the store for some groceries. Bye. Bye. Hurry up. Come on. Bye. Bye. Get in. Get out. I mean. Okay, and then I'll show you our bathroom. So far, this one's pretty much done too. And then we have this curtain and then the gray one behind. Let's go. We're gonna go to the store so we can get some groceries for our fridge. It's not officially done, but so far I have toys, a rack of toys, my calendar, but it's a Disney calendar, so I put it in her room, and then I put her shoes in there, her toys, her nightstand for now. It's kind of ghetto, but it'll do. And then her other toys, her bed, and then I have her other learning toy, her tent. I gotta clean this up. I'm gonna put her kitchen here after I build it. And this is the inside of here for now. And then I have her books, her picture, her curtains that I'm gonna put up later. And then I have to put her clothes away. I'm hiding some toys in there for now. I have these star night lights. Yes, Alize. Okay, give me 1 second. I have these star night lights that I'm either gonna put here or over there. I'm not sure yet, but we will do that eventually. But so far, this is what her room is coming up to be like. We built our TV stand last night. Today is the 13th, I believe. Let me see. It is the 14th, actually. I lie. So yeah, we have the TV stand there. I put this thing here for the throw blankets and pillow. And I put a mirror here for now. Put our picture there and then a candle there that I'm not gonna use. That candle is just there for decoration for now. And then we have our cable box, our Wi-Fi, and our couch is looking a mess right now. This is her kitchen that I have to build. This is all trash. We still have to finish the dining table. And so far, this is the kitchen. Okay, so I put the little fruit jars right there. So the only fruit I have right now is some oranges and bananas. I have my Mother's Day flowers that I'm gonna put on our dining table once it's finished. And so far I have my soap dispenser. I have the tin to put the whatever it's called, sponges. I have this jar to hold my onion and garlic stuff, my cutting board. I'm gonna put sugar in here. And then have that over there for now. I have my little truck right here that I put chocolate behind, little Dove chocolates. And then have this that I need to find the chalk. I don't know where I put the chalk. I know it's in a pink box, but I can't find a pink box. But I'm gonna put our Wi-Fi password and stuff on there. And then I put my little juice jug up there for now. But that is the kitchen right now. And our big old mess. So I changed out the pictures. Well, I put a new picture here, is what I mean. And I took the candle away because I like that better. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this wood thing. And I'm still trying to figure out what to change this out for. And then put this mirror somewhere.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart, your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again.
All done.
Baby,
Even has a seat for the baby. Do you like it? Okay, so super annoying that when they delivered our fridge, the new guy, I guess he was pushing the fridge when he wasn't supposed to, and it cracked our floor. And they put in the fridge and they like hurried up and rushed out of here without even letting me ask any questions about the fridge. So that's annoying. I look like a mess right now. We still have so much to do. Yes. Yes. Okay. We still have so much to do. And another annoying thing is somebody keeps parking in our carport, and the rest of the parking is first come first serve. So it's not fair that we have a parking spot that's meant for us and we can't even use it, so we have to find parking, and sometimes there's not any parking, so we have to park far and walk. And we've already told the office, but when we told them, they said they're gonna tag the car, but the car wasn't even there anymore. I guess they had left, and then when we came back, maybe like an hour, 2 hours later, they were back, but the office was closed. So, but last night I tried to hurry and get here before they could, and I got the parking. So now hopefully with my car there, they will know that they cannot park there anymore because somebody lives here now, because they probably been parking there because they've seen it empty for a while. So yeah, but we have still a few things to unpack, which is just basically clothes, and then my makeup vanity. I had to take out my makeup and put it away, and have to figure out a place to put the makeup vanity. And then we have to get rid of all these boxes because all those boxes are empty. But that's pretty much it so far. Today is the 15th, Wednesday. My daughter's so funny. She was inside the room and I was here editing the apartment tour, and she was in her room playing, and she heard the lawnmower and she ran to me and she said, "Mama, what is that? Baby's scared." And I said, "It's okay, it's a lawnmower. Relax." But yeah, I'll update you guys some more later on. We also had like a big hole right here, and I don't know what that hole was, but when we did the walkthrough, the guy, the management wrote it down so that maintenance could come fix it. He fixed it yesterday. And also our oven, I was using it the other day and it smelled like gas, and I kept telling Ruben, and Ruben's like, "No, that's normal, I smell that all the time." And I was like, "No, that is not normal, it smells like gas." So yesterday when maintenance came to fix this hole, I told him, I was like, I don't know if the oven's supposed to make that smell, but it smells like gas. And he says it's normal, but I just want to make sure. And then he checked it, and I guess there was a gas leak, and I was like, "See, we could have died." But no, he thinks it's normal. So we also had a hole here, but they fixed that.
Mama.
Yes?
My room.
Yeah, let's go to the room.
Right here.
And then I did this. This is my fault. I was trying to move her crib and I kind of slammed it against the wall. So it made a hole there. So now there's a hole, but I kind of hide it with her toys. But so far we have her room done. Just got all this. All I really have to do is put her clothes away, put her curtains up, her lights, and figure out a place for these teddy bears. So we have her bedroom done, the kitchen done, the 2 bathrooms done, somewhat the living room. So it's just our bedroom and then the dining table that we really need to do. But everything else is so good so far. Here, you play with this one. There you go. That's Mama. Don't play with that one. Thank you. Hey, I have my makeup table here. For now, we're just gonna leave it in the living room. I gotta unpack all this stuff. Guys, I just noticed the other day that the refrigerator guys ruined our wall too. You see this? They scraped the paint. No. And it just keeps going. And it stops there. So all that. Okay, hold on, okay? I guess this will do for now. We're just testing it out. I got my makeup. I got 2 more boxes that I have to fill up over there, in there. But for now, we're doing this. We have it in the living room for now, testing it out. If I don't like it here, we're gonna put it into the bedroom. But I'm thinking if I should put my vanity lights or use the natural lighting. But I think the natural lighting doesn't really shine where I want it to. So I might put my lights up. I'm not sure yet. But that's that for now. And I took out all my makeup out of the boxes and I threw them in there because most of it was still in packages. But that'll do for now. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because this was in my vanity. And then I have this other wooden crate that I didn't know what to do with. So I just put some magazines in them. So far I have only 2 magazines. I have more magazines. I just don't know where I put them. And then I have a box of photo frames in here that I want to start putting up around the place because these walls are looking very bare and empty and I don't know what I'm going to do with that mirror because it's huge. I'm thinking about putting it over there. I want to put it on this side, but the neighbors are on that side and I don't want them hearing banging on their wall. So I do not know what we're doing. Get your Wi-Fi here, guys. I just made this right now. It took forever to make the letters and numbers fit because I write too big, and you know the border, the frame is kind of hard to write with chalk. I have this little truck that I got from Target and I just put some chocolates in the back, and I don't know what to do with this little cloth, so I just put it there for now. And I still have this one too that I don't know what I'm gonna do with either. Got our slide. I have a little thingy right here that has chalk inside.